Hey guys, so Tash and I decided to start making some IGTV videos, and this was our attempt at doing that today.
Well, I was like, we should do lives anyway because it just.
Oh, can you tab?
Tap!
Yeah.
Okay, there's us staring.
What's the most valuable piece of info you have learned as a lash artist?
Drink
Patience. Do you drink water?
Proper posture. I'm trying to think. I mean, the obvious one is don't stick their shit together. Posture. Water. Ooh, CC. Yeah. I don't
Really?
Yeah.
CC?
I don't care for D. I haven't used it in 3 years, but
You know CC's curlier than C curl though, right?
yeah, but I don't want. But I'm better than D if I had to choose between.
So you choose the D.
I would choose the CC.
So you choose the D.
I would choose the CC. Oh, it's on me. God, it takes a lot.
Your face style of tweezer.
yeah,
it's probably
boots.
easy.
Yeah,
Boots.
Curve.
Yeah. My favourite style of tweezer is straights and curved for isolation.
Do you ever get stressed and you can't remove one, and then you try and use like a boot or a straight, like the opposite
Never.
one? Oh yeah,
No,
me either.
never. I just feel like I isolate better
Yeah. Yeah.
the whole time with those.
It's curved.
Cool.
We're old.
Can't see. Oh, we had this one. Oh, curved for isolation.
Yeah, curved.
Curved,
I
definitely
couldn't
curved.
imagine actually doing it with straight.
Ring light or glam core?
Glam core, right? Is that that?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, kind of neither. She's leaving.
One? Yeah, one.
Yeah. Class
Year
clown
five.
would be the first one.
How many do you have? 4?
I'm old, so I have a lot of certificates.
Yeah.
I have business administration, a certificate in
wait.
photoshopping.
Oh, is this just in
general?
general? Oh yeah, more than one.
Yeah, you
I don't
have
know.
so many.
I don't know what the others are though.
Lash, brow, facial waxing, facial tinting,
Hairdressing.
hairdressing. I think they're waiting for us out there. I don't know what.
I can't remember what other.
Certificates.
Oh, dermaplane, I don't know, facial?
There we go.
Yeah. Oh, that was the time. Have I got certificates in? I'm curious now. Oh, I like this filter. Yeah, it just makes this look really odd. Alright, take notes. I'm gonna get a filter with a look. Yeah, so anyway, continue on with the drama, which never happens in my life.
I was like, we don't want evidence of this.